Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tecpo Cordless Drill 71 PC's Home Toolkit. Tecpo Cordless Drill features all metal and components construction that offers efficiency in the most demanding tasks. The drill comes with a set of 21 pieces, including all the hand tools that you need all the time. It has all the tools you need for various tools you need for drilling on meat, wood, and also plastic. It uses 2 speed gears and 21 clutch system for efficiency from 400 RPM to 1500 RPM. It also works together with 220 pounds for maximum torque application. The cordless drill uses a copper motor for high performance, where the metal chuck comes with a 3/8 of an inch keyless chuck ratcheting that promotes easy bits insert. It also uses a powerful 20 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery with an indicator light. The drill provides maximum power to handle the toughest jobs and also comes with a storage bag. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ridgid 18-volume cordless drills. Ridgid cordless drill comes in a perfect design that uses a high-performance brushless motor that provides powerful torque. You find that it comes in an impact driver combo kit with all the tools that you need for handy jobs. The drill also uses a powerful lithium-ion battery that offers adequate power to drive the drill bits on all surfaces. Its brushless motor provides 50% more power and runtime, thus promoting long-time services. The drill operates in 3 speed gears, thus offering control and adjustability when you are drilling on various surfaces. You find that the kit provides numerous tools that you need for different handy jobs, both domestic or at your workshop. It also comes in a compact design with a non-slip grip that provides high efficiency for you to handle all your tasks with ease. At number 3, we have the Avid Power 20 volts Max Cordless Drill. Avid Cordless Drill provides high performance as it uses a powerful motor for excellent torque. It also uses a powerful 20 volts lithium battery that gives power for long, where it also comes with USB port for you to charge your devices. You notice that it comes with 15+1 clutch position settings that offer precise controls and adjustments depending on your demanding tasks. It also provides a sturdy grip that prevents the drills from stripping. You find that it utilizes exclusive tools that enable ceramic, drywall, wood, plastic, and metal drilling with ease. It can drill into wood up to 20 mm and 10 mm on a steel plate with ease. You also notice that it comes in a lightweight and compact design and powerful motor that offers high performance and also rubber handles for a comfortable grip. It uses a flexible shaft for easy drill bits. Fitting works with varying speed from 0 to 550 RPM. At number 2, we have the WORKPRO Pink Cordless 20 volts Drill Driver Set. WORKPRO delivers exclusive performance where a powerful 20 volts lithium battery powers it. You find that the battery offers long-time power while it operates with 2 speed gear at variable speed from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1500 revolutions per minute for different uses. The drill also uses 21+1 chuck adjustment, which delivers up to 203 pounds maximum torque for the most demanding tasks. It can easily drill up to 10 mm keyless chuck while maintaining outstanding bit retention. It's safe and secure to use the drill as it has a soft grip handle for efficiency. You find that it has an LED light for safety and security, where it also comes with a fashionable bag that offers secure storage where it's easy to access and organize. The drill also comes with 6 drill bits, 10 bits, bit holder, and also the high-performance battery to serve for long. And finally, at number 1, we have the GOXAWEE cordless drill with 2 batteries. GOXAWEE comes with a complete set of tools and drill bits that offers high performance when drilling on wood or metal. It comes with an extra 100 pieces that offer efficiency for functionality and applying practical tasks. You find that it uses high-performance 2x1500 mAh Li-ion battery that provides functionality for a long time and charges fast within 1 hour. You also find that the cordless design enables flawless working and movement without restrictions. The drill uses 2 speed gear settings with accurate control and an adjustable mode where you can easily control with your fingers. The clutch utilizes 18 adjustable clutch positions with 3-in-1 working mode where you can switch from the driver, hammer, and drill. The drill offers exclusive controls where it's easy to use with an auto-locked keyless chuck that enables automatic bit locking when in use. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.